How to find and access TikTok shop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. At the bottom, instead of friends, you found shop. If you don't have it, go to your profile, then click on three lines. Go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and click on report a problem. After you have clicked on report a problem, scroll down in here and click on chat with us. It will lead you to TikTok support page. In here at the bottom, send a message. Simply type in, my TikTok shop is not showing, help me, and TikTok will get back to you. As you can see in my context, currently TikTok shop isn't available in my region. And this is how to find and access TikTok shop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.